I would like to say a few words regarding Shikshana Foundation schemes which are undergoing in our school. So my name is Abhya Harihazet. I am working as a science teacher, science assistant teacher in government GHPS Shivagangge. So today Shikshana Foundation teacher has come to our school by name Manasa. She has distributed many books to our school. One Kannada, English and mathematics. So in that book, so the book has designed very nicely. They have designed the book. In that English book especially, I have undergone many contents in the English book where we come across many parts of speeches. So which is very useful for our school children. So the basic concepts in mathematics and the basic concepts in Kannada all are very useful so that our students will gain are going to gain fluency and master over the grammatical objects, grammatical things what we have in the subject. So I appreciate the Manasa ma'am. Also, she regularly visits the school and she undergoes mini tests and all. And even we, as a teacher working over here, so we are all helping our students to solve this textbook, so which is very useful for our regular teaching also. Thank you very much.